Hello. It's been a week since I did the video on those organic potatoes I bought. Now we're going to take another look at the eyes. This is what they look like now. These are definitely ready to plant. Got to be careful so you don't break the eyes off, but so anyway, this just shows you all the way around it, they're all growing. So this just shows that if you buy organic potatoes, you can use them for seed. They will definitely work. So this is what they look like laid out. And I've had them for 2.5 weeks since I bought them in the store. So if you buy them to eat them, you gotta eat them quick. You buy them for seed, don't take very long. Just doing an update. I will go ahead and plant those in the garden, and hopefully I'll remember to do a follow-up video when they're ready to be harvested so we can see how much we get off of them. I'm going to plant the whole potato, of course, so I should get lots of shoots coming up. Anyway, you all have a good one, and I will see you next video. Bye.